Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create a shopping list on your THERMOMIX TM6. To add a shopping list, you'll need to use either the website or the app. So I'll go to the website, but the app looks basically the same, so it will work the same way. Let's just get there. And on the website I can, for example, this looks nice, the almond cake with white chocolate topping. I can click on three dots in the top right corner and then add to shopping list. Now I could add more. Of course I can also bookmark the recipe or add it to my recipe list, so I'll easily find that recipe later. I won't do it now. I'll just go to maybe explore and see something for breakfast as well. Let's do a shakshuka. Let's add it to my shopping list as well, and then I can maybe do a soup. Let's do the goulash. And now if I go to my shopping list, it's going to, I can either go to by recipes, and then I'll find separate shopping lists for the recipes. You can see it is quite long, and some of the things will repeat. Probably eggs will be somewhere there. Yeah, there's eggs for the almond cake and eggs for the shakshuka. Now, if I go to by category, it will divide it, and if I go to, let's say, eggs, you can see it combines the number of eggs to 12, so it makes the shopping list way easier. Of course, some of the things you may already have at home, so you can just select it before you go shopping. Then you could print out, share, print out or share the shopping list. You could also view it in the app. In the app, you can basically click on the shopping on the very bottom. I have it in a different language and a different recipe because it's a different account, but that's how it's going to look like. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.